Welcome to Baby Animals. Today we learn 6 important baby animal names in English: puppy, kitten, calf, lamb, chick, and cub. These words help you talk about baby animals. A puppy is a baby dog. When you see a small dog playing, that is a puppy. A kitten is a baby cat. Kittens are small cats that meow and chase things. Puppy comes from dog. Kitten comes from cat. A calf is a baby cow. Calves drink milk from their mothers on the farm. A lamb is a baby sheep. Lambs have soft wool and follow their mothers. Calf means baby cow. Lamb means baby sheep. A chick is a baby chicken. Chicks come from eggs and are yellow and fluffy. A cub is a baby lion. Lion cubs play and learn from their parents. Chick means baby chicken. Cub means baby lion. Here's your quick reference: puppy from dog, kitten from cat, calf from cow, lamb from sheep, chick from hen, cub from lion. Repeat these pairs to remember them well. Listen to these sentences. The puppy is playing with a ball. My kitten loves to drink milk. The calf follows its mother everywhere. Notice how puppy, kitten, and calf fit in real sentences. More example sentences. The little lamb is eating grass. A yellow chick hatched from the egg. The lion cub is learning to hunt. Practice saying lamb, chick, and cub in these sentences. Great job! You learned 6 baby animal names: puppy, kitten, calf, lamb, chick, cub. Say them with me. Puppy, kitten, calf, lamb, chick, cub. You can now talk about baby animals in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.